Bowel cancer is one of the most treatable cancers if caught early. But traditional screening tests can miss subtle early changes, ones you can only see at the DNA level. Colosafe detects those signals. It's a next-generation stool DNA test you can do comfortably at home. Quick, simple, with results you can trust. With 98% specificity and 87% sensitivity for early-stage cancer, Colosafe is trusted by over 1 million people worldwide. A simple test at home. Results you can trust. Colosafe. Here's how it works. Your colon naturally sheds cells into your stool every day. When bowel cancer develops, these cells show a specific DNA change called methylation in a gene called SYNDECAN2, a proven DNA marker for bowel cancer. Colosafe detects this DNA change early, often years before symptoms appear, when treatment is most successful. Colosafe. Catch it early when it matters most.